Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So really going forward, there's 3 main technical levels that really stand out to me that you'll want to keep an eye on whenever you watch this. So let's just assume that you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. So question number 1 that you need to ask yourself 15 hours from now is, where is the price at relative to 8,500? I've talked about this level time and time again in recent history, but it still remains very valid as a level of support. You can see the price has now bounced off at essentially 3 different times. So it's very clearly that there's lots of buyers hanging around down there. And assuming you're bullish, well, then you want to see lots of buyers remain down around that area, which is why you're going to want to take an inventory check of where the price is relative to that area when you're watching the video. If you're answering the question that the price is actually down below 8,500, then it becomes a question of, okay, well, how far down below it? And the further down the price is below 8,500, that would just represent more and more of a bearish chart. So the further below 8,500, if that's the case, the more bearish it's become. Now, the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still up above 8,500. At that point, the next question would be all about this purple line here, the 50-period moving average, which you can see over the past near term has rejected the price down on 2 separate occasions. So that number really just becomes 88.80. Again, 88.80. So if you're answering the question that the price is above 8,500, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 88.80? And if you're answering the question that the price is up above there, well, that would imply that this near-term resistance, the price is broken up above the moving average there, and that would be a nice first step of bullishness. The next step of bullishness would be, well, can the price break up above there? So if you're answering the question that the price is above 8,800, the next level will become, 88.80. It's quite the mouthful. Then the next level would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,200? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is now up above 9,200, that would just imply that things have become quite bullish, because that would mean that this level of resistance has now been broken. But then the price has been able to work its way all the way up there, and then that level has been broken. So that would take a lot of bullishness. So watch those levels and walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep things relevant for as long as possible. And those are definitely going to be the 3 key levels right now. But yeah, no doubt about it, in the very short term, that 50-period moving average definitely being very, very annoying. A big old thorn in the side of the bulls. So we'll see if the price can try to get above there or not. But we'll see how the next several hours all play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.